Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn how to resolve this error message on the employee self-service portal. So let's get started. Just to show you the error, let me just quickly log in and just demonstrate the actual error that was shown on the screenshot. So as an employee logs in onto their employee self-service portal, they click on my leave, and as they click on new request they get this error message that they cannot use the self-service to apply for leave. Now this issue is related to an incomplete employee profile setup, and so you will need to go onto your PayGlobal and check some of these items. Uh, One of the most common item that you need to check is their employees leave request setting. So you'll go to the employee that is facing the issue, and under the leave section, under the payroll leave section, you'll use this arrow to go to the end, and you will see a tab called leave request setting. Under the leave request setting, if the record is empty, as in this scenario, that would probably give you an indication that this is the reason why that error message was showing. So to fix that, we will right click and add a leave request setting. So depending on your setup, you can add a keyed or profiled, and then the approval setting would be payroll, and then the start date would be ideally the date that the employee had started. I'll just keep mine to this date. Save. I'll save this. Now, one of the other factors that you need to also consider is whether or not the employee has any leave table attached to their record. If there is no table attached to the employee's record, then that is another factor in which that error message would be shown. So do check your data entry if this any of this leave table has been filled in. Now, two of the other checks that I would suggest you to do might not be directly related to this, but it's always good to check and ensure if this is correct. So the other one is to check your plan termination date. Your plan termination date needs to be greater than today's date, so it needs to be in the future rather than on the past. Just ensure if that is, or it needs to be blank. If it is blank, then that's fine. If it's a expired date, then it's most likely an employee is not be no will not be able to log in, but the possibility of the manager able to apply on behalf of the employee might exist, and they might get that error message. So just ensure this is blank or this is set in the future date. Once you have made those or changes, you can go onto the employee portal and request the user to try to log in and check, or you can try to log in yourself and check if the issue is resolved. So let me just do that. Let me go to my leave. Let me go to new request. And as you can see, I am able to access that tab, and I am able to go ahead and apply for my leave. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If so, please do give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel. I will see you in the next video.